Hi, you guys. We are going to go through question by question the chapter review because I realized that me just posting the answers isn't going to be good enough, and that's not going to help you. You have the test on Monday, and I want to let you guys know that the test is open note. So on Monday, you are not going to come to a Zoom session. On Monday, you are going to log straight in to the test. There will be a link on Google Classroom, and you will take the test on Monday, okay? So that's what you will do Monday, 0 period. So let's start with this. If at any time you need to pause, press pause, okay? So I believe you've already seen this. These aren't as difficult because they are the, so you've already seen this. Sorry, I'm gonna have interruptions like my kids coming in. Okay, page 2. Take a look at it or press pause. So it occurred to me that anything that, well, actually I did go over this one in class. You know what I didn't go over? 16. So let's do 16 fresh. So if you want to see 16, press pause. Otherwise, right now I'm going to give you, I'm going to get a blank piece of paper for 16, and I'm going to do 16, okay? So here's 16. All right, solve for the variables, then find the measure of each angle. I want you to notice right away there's a dark black line, and that dark black line means a straight angle, opposite rays, 180 degrees. That's this 8x, 5x, 3x, and 2x. They make 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8x plus 5x plus 3x plus 2x equals 180, okay? That's going to be me solving for x. 8 plus 5 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18x equals 180, x equals 10. So if x equals 10, then I can go through and say 8 times 10, 80 degrees. 5 times 10, 50 degrees. 3 times 10, 30 degrees. 2 times 10, 20 degrees, okay? Here, 5 times x, 50 degrees. 4 times x, 40 degrees. 2 times x, 20 degrees. 12y, I don't even know y yet. This though, x is just 10 degrees. Okay, I need to still find that 12y. I don't even know what y is. So I need to actually solve for y, but here's what I do know. All of these right here, 50, 40, 20, 10, plus 12y, they make 180. 50 plus 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 12y, that makes 180. 50 plus 40 is 90, 100, 110, 120. 120 plus 12y equals 180. Subtract 120. 12y equals 60, y equals 5. 5 times 12, 60 degrees, okay? Next, we're jumping to number 22, okay? Again, press pause when you need to. All right, this is complicated. Now, if I don't know anything, then I need to actually erase what I have. Start from 0. You read the directions and you mark up what you need. Given the following figure where AF equals x minus 7. Let me do a color. I hope I don't make any mistakes. CE equals 30. Oh, CE equals 30. The whole line is 30. Look, they've already told me about 13 of it. So if I know that the whole line is 30 and 13 of it's already taken up, then that means that this is going to be 17. Because 17 plus 13 equals 30. Measure of angle ABF is 120. ABF, 120. AFB is congruent to EDA, oh, they're both 30 degrees. Look, EDA is 30. And this one I didn't know, but now I do, it's 30. So that's good. AD equals 3x minus 35. Okay, so AD equals 3x minus 35. I just need to like keep that in mind. Because right now I already have an x minus 7, so. EC bisects AD. EC cuts AD in half. Well, if AD is cut in half and this side's x minus 7, then this side's x minus 7. We also know that the whole thing is 3x minus 35. So we're going to keep that in mind, okay? Lastly, measure of angle ECD is 50 degrees. Okay. What else do we know? I know that this double line here is 13, which means that this double line is also congruent. It's 13. CD is 13. And BC is 13. How about oh, look at this, look at this. Angle E is 25 degrees. Look at this double line. That means it's congruent to 25 degrees. Now I've got a lot here. I haven't even started answering my questions, and look at how much information I have. This is really good. Okay, really good. So let's start. X equals, okay. The only thing I know about X is I know that this X minus 7 is the two pieces. I know that the whole thing is 3x minus 35. So let's do, the whole thing is 3x minus 35. I also know that the whole thing is x minus 7 plus x minus 7. So 3x minus 35 equals 2x minus 14. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm solving right here. Minus 2x, x minus 35 equals negative 14. Add 35. 14 plus 35, I'm sorry, negative 14 plus 35, 21. Now, CD. Oh, we know what CD is. It's 13. AC. Add it up. 8 plus 13, 21. AD. I know that X is 21. So if X is 21, that means that I can say, if X is 21, that means that I can say 21 minus 7 is 14. So this piece is 14 and this piece is 14. AD together would be 28, 14 plus 14. 21 minus 7 is 14. 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 plus 14. FC, 17. FD, 21 minus 7, 14. Okay. DCA. DCA, add it up. 25 plus 50, 75. FBC. Well, this is a straight angle right here. I already know 120 of it. So what's left over if it's going to be a straight line? 120 plus what makes 180? Straight angles are 180. 120 plus 60. Oh, by the way, this one line, I didn't mark it. This angle A is congruent to angle D. Okay, 60 degrees, right? AFC. Okay, check this triangle out. 60 plus 25 plus F. A triangle makes how many degrees? A triangle is 180 degrees. So I know that it's 180 minus 60 minus 25. So that's going to be 95 degrees. Hi. So that's 95 degrees. AFC. Oh, wait. 95 plus 30. Sorry. 125. BFC was 95. Okay. Let's move on. 23. Measure of angle 5. Now, okay, wait. Let's mark up the actual whole figure. In the diagram, OB bisects AOC. That's here. Angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. That's what that means. And EOD is a right angle. Okay. So now, if this is a right angle, by the way, COD also has to be a right angle because it makes 180. Look at 180 degrees. So EOD is 90, which means 180 minus 90. Okay, 90 degrees. You're good. You can be done now. Okay. Measure of angle 5 equals 2x. Well, you guys, if that's 2x, then angle 4 is also 2x. Measure of angle 3 equals x. Ha ha ha. This is 180 degrees. X plus 2x plus 2x. $5x. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 36. Okay. Number 24, I told you not to do. There's not enough information, sadly. Because now that I'm done with 23, this information that I now know is not going to help me with 25. 25, I'm starting scratch, fresh again. Measure of angle 1 is x minus 8. Mark it up. Measure of angle 2 is 2x plus 5. Measure of angle 4 is 3x minus 26. Okay. I know this. 2x plus 5 plus x minus 8. I know that makes 90. Okay. 3x minus 3. 3x equals 93. X equals 31. Now I can find angle 4. 3 times 31. 3 times 31 minus 26. Ugh. 31, 31, 31, 93. I can't do that in my head. I don't know. 7, 6, 67. Okay. If they asked, if they want to know how big each angle is, I don't know. Okay. So there's that. All right. Again, pause it when you need to. 26. Here we go. Given that XQ bisects PXS, that means that this angle and this angle are the same. XR bisects P, is it blocking like it's blocking for? P, it's literally, you guys, like 6 o'clock on a Friday night. I'm just toast, but I'm doing this for you because you need it. XR bisects PXQ. That means I'm going to put another, be like purple. Okay. Those two are equal. Find the measure of XST if Our XQ is 3x minus 11. Well, if this double line is congruent to this double line, that means that this is also 3x minus 11, right? Because they're the same, right? 3x minus 11, 3x minus 11. SXP is SXP x plus 38. Guys, that's huge. Like, I don't even have another color. SXP, it's like giant. Like, I don't know if I need that. Here's what you can do. I know that these two make up my pencil right here, QXP. So 3x minus 11 and another 3x minus 11 make QXP. QXP is the same as QXS. Look at this, one line pencil, one line pencil. So these two together are 6x minus 22. So this is 6x minus 22, right here. Now what is it asking me? Find SXT. Okay, here we go. The whole green angle is x plus 38. I know all the parts of the green angle. I know this part plus this part plus this part make the green angle. 3x minus 11 plus 3x minus 11 plus 6x minus 22 equals my green x plus 38. 3x minus 11 plus 3x minus 11 plus 6x minus 22 equals x plus 38. Wow. Crazy, you guys. Combine like terms, solve for x. 3, 6, 12x minus negative 11, negative 22, negative 44. Minus x, 11x, add 44. $82 does not go evenly. You get to use a calculator on the test for numbers such as this. 82 divided by 11. 7.45. Let's just call it 7.5. Now what is it asking? The missing piece. So this plus this plus this is like a big angle. And, oh look, SXP, green, SXP is x plus 38. Well, 7.5 plus 38 equals 45.5. So that means make sure I get this right. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but this is it. SXP, that green angle, is 45.5. This is not drawn to scale, I know. So if the green is 45.5, what you have to do is you have to say the green plus this is 180 minus 45.5. The whole thing is 180, right? And I know that SXP is 7.5 plus 38. It doesn't look like it's 45.5, but it is. Ready? SXP is 164.5. So much. I know. 27. Here we go. Given XQ bisects PXS, that's this and this then. And XR bisects PXQ. Same things as last time. Find SXR if PXR is 4x minus 6. Well, hey, if this double purple is 4x minus 6, this double purple is also 4x minus 6. Then SXT is 2x plus 6. Yeah. Remember how this pencil and this pencil are congruent? This pencil is 8x minus 12. 8x minus 12. So this pencil is 8x minus 12. Now that I have all four parts, I can add all four of those up, and that adds up to 180. Okay? Here we go. 4x minus 6 plus 4x minus 6 plus 8x minus 12 plus 2x plus 6 equals 180. Combine my terms, everything together. Ready, ready, ready? 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. 18x. Negative 6, negative 12 plus 6. Minus 18 equals 180. Add 18. X equals 11. The measure of SXR, oh, I wrote that too close together, didn't I? Measure of angle, SXR, is SXR is made up of two angles. It's made up of 8x minus 12, 8x minus 12, plus 4x minus 6. 8x minus 12 plus 4x minus 6. That makes SXR. 88 minus 12 plus 44 minus 6. I just go, guys, from left to right. Okay? 114. I could even do like this if you want. 76 plus 38 equals 114 degrees. Let's do the proofs. Let's do the proofs. Get them done. I specifically said in class today that your ordering needs to be somewhat close, but it's okay if it's not perfect, in order, perfect. So here we go. CA is congruent to DO. AT is congruent to OG. They split up the givens into two lines. You don't need to. I will for this one. Since I know that they're already congruent, look at what I'm trying to prove, that DG is equal. Equal. That means I have to get rid of the congruent sign and the line segment above it and say that the length of DG, remember, is equal to the length of CT. CA is congruent to DO. AT is congruent to OG. Mark it up. Okay, here we go. Since I know they're congruent, I need to get to the equal sign. So I'm going to do this. CA equals DO. AT equals OG. Definition, it's the same reason for both. So I'm just going to, or it's congruence property. Okay. They're the same thing. For 5 and 6, I'm going to now talk about that each part equals the whole thing. Each part equals the whole thing. Ready? CA plus AT equals CT. And DO plus OG equals DG. Check this out, guys. I want DG to equal CT. We're so close. Do these two equal each other? They're going to equal each other. But first, I have to do reason number 5 and 6, segment addition postulate. Okay. So I want to say that CT equals DG. So I kind of need to say that these two equal each other. CA plus AT equals DO plus OG. Substitution property, right? If this equals this and this equals this, then these two equal each other. And then the reason that DG now equals CT right here, that equals that, so they equal each other. Transitive. This equals CT, this equals DG. So DG equals CT, transitive. Hold on, someone's at my doorbell. Probably my child. Hi, I'm back. Okay. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. They add up to 180. Angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. They add up to 180. I need to prove, look at, if 1 plus 2 equals 180 and 2 plus 3 equals 180, then that means that 1 and 3 must be the same because 2 is itself, 2 is the same. That's reflexive property. Okay, here we go. Angle 1 and 2 are supplementary. Angle 2 and 3 are supplementary. Good. Supplementary means what? That they add up to 180. I have to actually say that, you guys. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180. Definition, same reason. I just chose to put them in 2 lines. Now, if they both equal 180, they equal each other. If they both equal 180, they equal each other. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals angle 2 plus angle 3, right? Good. That would be substitution. Because that equals 180, that equals 180, so they equal each other. Nope, transitive. So sorry. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. Angle 2 and 3 is also 180. So then they are equal to each other. That's the transitive. Sorry. Okay. Number 6. Look at this. Angle 2 is in common. I could take out angle 2. Subtraction property of equality. Okay. Now if I go from equal sign to congruent, what's that? Equal sign to congruent. Definition of congruence. Definition of congruence. You will have proofs on the quiz. This is open note quiz, okay? So go back, pause anything you need to pause, look through it. And it's open note, and you get to use a calculator. I mean, how great is this gonna be? Okay, so I won't see you guys till Tuesday, and on Tuesday we start chapter 2, okay? On Tuesday we start chapter 2. All right, guys, have a good weekend now that it's like 6 something on a Friday night. Bye.